Hello dynamic learners, welcome to my another brand video. Today I will show you in this video Google Ads real-time auction process. What is Google Ads real-time auction process, and when we will run an Google Ads campaign, then which ad will rank on the top pages of Google search. So in this video we will clear about Google Ads real-time access process and Google Ad ranks. So at first we will we have selected an keyword. This is the keyword e-commerce platform. So when we will search the e-commerce platform in Google, then we will show that this is few result in the SERP. This is the called SERP, first page called SERP. I will show that this is the result of e-commerce platform, and we have seen that few e-commerce platform like e-commerce, Quick Exports, Zapier, Shopify. This is e-commerce platform. So when we will search an e-commerce platform, a keyword for e-commerce platform, they will find few competitor like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, WooCommerce, and Magento. So, and this is the calculation framework. We will calculate the ad rank, quality score, CPC, and we will identify the which ad will rank in the Google search. So at first we will select 5 competitor: Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, WooCommerce, Magento, and keyword e-commerce platform. So at first suppose we will select an Shopify CPC like 5, WooCommerce 7, Wix 6, it's 9, Magento it's 8, and quality score this is a limit 1 to 10, and Google fixed the score 1 to 10. Quality score depends on some parameter like ads relevancy, keyword relevancy, landing page ad relevancy. It depends on some parameter. So then we will find 1 to 10 the score of quality. Suppose quality score is 10, 9, and WooCommerce 10, Wix 8, WooCommerce like 7, Magento also 7. Now we will identify the ad rank, CPC multiply quality score. So 5 multiply 9 is 45, 70, 48, 63, 56. So this is the top value of 70. This is bad position is 1, and this is 63, bad position is 2, and 56, bad position is 3, and 48 is 4, and 45 this is 5. So this is 70 ad rank score. So this ad WooCommerce is will be the and the first page, and this is called also absolute top page. Absolute top page. So top page. Actually, what is absolute top page? Like if this is the an Google Ads, then we will call that this is absolute top page, and others result will be top page. And this first is absolute top page, another is just top page. So this is absolute top page, and others is top page, and this is max CPC or bid amount is 5. That's mean when Google Ads campaign run, then when and visitors click to the any ads, then every single clicks at Google cart deduction of 5 USD, and this is the proposal USD of competitor. Mm, Now we will identify what is the actual cost of um, CPC. So this is rules. We will go. Uh, then at first we will Magento. First we will identify the result of Magento. This is WooCommerce. This is the first absolute top page. This is WooCommerce. So at first this is there is process top is WooCommerce at rank is 70, and we will select at first which is immediate lower value of absolute top page. So this is the immediate lower value. So at first we will 63 divided 10 sorry divided 10 and plus 0.01, and this result will be 63 by 10 plus 1 and 6.31 USD. This is the actual cost. Now we will big commerce. This is the big commerce. Immediate lowercase big commerce is 56. So this is 56 divided. And now this quality score will be 7. We'll close the value and plus 0.01 equal 56 divided 7 plus 0.01. This is 8.01 USD. Now we will Magento. The Magento is actual immediate lower value of Magento is 56. This is the real value, and immediate lower value is 48. So we will at first type 48. The Magento score will 7. Quality score 7 close bracket plus 0.01 equal 48 divided 7 equal plus 0.01. This the value will 6.87. Now we will calculate the actual cost of Shopify. So this is the Shopify. Now at first we will actual cost the weeks. The weeks is actual value 48. The immediate lower value is 45. So at first we will select 45 divided and 8 close plus 0.01. So 45 divided 8 equal plus 0.01. It will be 5.64 USD. And now at the last is Shopify. So Shopify the actual value is 45, but there is no lower value, immediate lower value, because this is the last competitor. So if I have no competitor, so this is the final actual cost. This is the 5. So we find out the actual cost of a total competitor, and this is the CPC. This is the proposal cost, and this is the actual cost when like WooCommerce is rank the ad rank Google surface. Then when one user click to this ad, then actually the cost will be deducted in 6.31 USD. But our proposal is 7. This is proposal value, but and this is the actual value. So this is the actually goalless real-time access process, and who is it depends on ad rank. Who is ad rank is high, then the ad will be the rank on Google surface. It this is the main factor is quality score. If the quality score is high, then the ad cost will be minimized, and if the quality score is low, then the quality ad cost will be high. So this is the actually process of Google Ads real-time access. So that is for today. So thank you for your time. So stay connected with us for another video. So that is for today. Thank you. This is the